Hi guys, back again in my channel, and today I back again with the newest Sentai collection, which is the DX Universal Editions. Yay! So basically today I cannot wait to play with this because I think this one is Universal or Universe Editions. I'm not really sure about that because I haven't watched Gozyuger, but I really excited to play with this, and we can see all the hero lineup. So without any further wait, let's take a look what is the art box looks like, guys. So let's now enjoy the art box first. So this one is the Super Sentai 50 years editions, and this one is the Gozyuger. Oh, at last I have a piece from this Super Sentai editions, and this one is actually not the normal Mecha sword. I still don't have that. Can you imagine that? So I don't have that. Instead I have the universe versions, and this one is can become two modes in here, and let's see what it's going to be inside the box. That's we gonna have this Tega sword, and also this one of the Sentai ring, if I'm not mistaken. So we can play with this, and this also can transform, become the robot, and we can combine, I believe, with all the wolf like Tyranno and other things. Okay, so without any further wait, let's take a look what inside the box. Okay guys, so let's take a look what inside the box first. So I'm really excited because this one is my first Gozyuger toys that I opened, so I'm a little bit excited. Let's take a look. I'm opening the box right now, and what inside the box? Yes, the newer Sentai editions usually doesn't have any molding box inside, but we have the ring. It's almost out from the box. We have the ring here, so one of the ring, and let's see, I think we also have how to open this. Let's have a look. Okay. So we have the Tega sword. It's kind of big because I think we can use it with our hand, and then we can wear this. Okay, so let me take it out a bit. So this is how it looks like out from the box, and I still have some of the item. Actually, I still have some of the item inside the box. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna take out some of the ring first, so we can play with this. Okay, so let's take it out. Okay guys, so this is basically everything from inside the box, and now I'm taking this out. We have this item, and then we have two rings. Oh, this one is the wolf versions, I believe, but isn't becoming the Tega sword hat. Yes, it's becoming the Tega sword hat. And what else? We have the other ring. like this. So it looks like broken, but it's not. So without any further wait, let's try to find out how to play with this. Okay guys, now I am having the Tega sword with me. Oops, it's off, but let's take a look how to attach this guy. So I think how to attach this guy is only one way, which is like this, if I'm not mistaken. Is it? Okay, so it's supposed to be looks like this, I believe. Okay, and we have the hand. I just feel a little bit weird that this guy, or how it's gonna be attached here. So it should be attached like this, if I understand this correctly. Okay, so let me check. Is it like this? Okay guys, so let me figure it out first, and then let me back with the video. Okay guys, so basically I already finding out how to attach this this thumb. So basically we need to make it this position just like this, and this joint will attach here. So the hand's position looks like this. Okay, so I want to play with this electronic of this guy, so I'm looking for some kind of battery that maybe we can use in here. So I think the battery is using the LR44. I hope I have it, so I'm gonna try to open the hatch of the battery first. Okay, how to open it? Hopefully I can open this. Okay, I already opened this one, and we have 3 battery of LR44, and I'm gonna find the battery first, and then let's play with this. Okay guys, so now I already have the LR44 battery with me, so I'm gonna put this inside, and let's take a look and play with this. Okay, so I'm gonna put into the battery compartment like that. So we need a 3 battery basically for this Tega sword, and we are gonna put this side, and let's slide this back in. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so it's kind of cool, and let's try to press this button. I think this is the action button. It's very cool. Okay, let's try to attach this ring in. Oh, that's why they selling also with the ring set. Oh, okay, it's very cool. And let's take a look about the other ring that we have here. Let's attach this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so cool. Let me put this way first. Okay, so this one is, oh, that's the wolf sound. Okay guys, let's play it again. Let's press. Oh, this is different. So it's different sound. So this is what I do. I try to do a long press of this. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, so I cannot wait to transform this, become the robot mode over here. So let's try to do that. Okay guys, so now I'm trying to change this, become the robot mode. I just trying to figure it out. I think it's not that too difficult. What we need to do is to separate this wing together first, and we have the wing like that. And if I get my guess correct, this will need to rotate like that. Ooh. And is it? How to rotate to the front side. Okay, so that's the feet. Oh, so cool. Wow. Ooh, nice. So is this how we're gonna fold? We're gonna fold it like that, and these are going to be down like this. And we have the weapon hidden like that, and we have this face of the Tega sword we can open, and we're gonna put inside. Oh, it's so cool. I'm gonna press it again. So where is the button? I need to press. Okay, so this is a button. Ah. Oh, this is very cool, guys. How do you think about this one, guys? Oh, this is my first Tega sword, and I hope that I can get the normal versions of Tega sword as soon as possible. And if I already have it, I'm gonna play it and I'm gonna show to you guys the comparison between the universal versions and also the normal Tega sword. Hey guys, for Tega sword itself, like the ring, we don't have too much things to talk about this ring, except it has the sound, and we actually can change the size of the ring. So this is very considerable for the size of the ring, right? So we can change this ring size immediately. So I'm just checking out. Yeah, for the small one, it cannot play it by adult, I think. So you need to change, become the other size. Okay, so this size is actually, I think it's worse. Okay, so that's all. So guys, basically that's all for today's video, and then next time I'm gonna try to unbox this one. So this one is the Wolf Deca Caliber. Yes, Deca Caliber. Yes, Wolf Deca Caliber 50. So I'm gonna play with this later on, and this actually can combine with the Tega sword, and we can see it looks like this. Okay, so I don't have the normal Tega sword, so I'm gonna have it later on, and then I'm gonna combine this together. Okay, so I think that's all for this. Is my first Gozyuger video. I really like this. Okay, so please wait for the next video. Bye bye.